duck mushroom served with a beautiful pasta. How did you know it's one of my favourites?
Well, I do, you know, many years cooking with you, but yeah, we are making a wonderful duck and mushroom ragu sauce with the San Remo Tagliatelle egg noodle.
Gorgeous, gorgeous.
So we leave the pasta for a little while. We need to get our sauce on to go straight up, Jazz. I'll get you picking some thyme and rosemary for me.
Okay.
Good splash of olive oil to start off.
And duck loves those hard herbs, rosemary, thyme.
So I've just diced some pancetta, okay? So we're adding that in there for the flavour. More fat, more flavour.
Yep.
Now, duck mince, you know, if you can't get your hands on duck mince, alternates are turkey or chicken.
But if you did actually want to make your duck mince, it's actually very easy. You could just use some duck breast. Make sure you use the fat too. Pop it in the fridge for, you know, a good hour or so it just really firms up.
Yep.
Chop it into little pieces and pop it in a food processor with a sharp blade, and you can make homemade duck mince.
How's that? I just normally ring up my meat man and say, hey, send me some duck mince.
Oh, we don't all have a meat man, you see.
Now, I can smell the pancetta starting to render out, that beautiful caramelisation.
Yep.
In with our onion.
Okay.
And the thyme as well.
Time for you. And how much rosemary would you like?
So 2 sprigs would be great. What I do love about this dish, Juz, right? You can make this sauce the day before, keep it in the fridge, comes even more richer in flavour. And then you just got to cook your pasta and reheat your sauce, It's a bit time for.
So rosemary, I'm just chopping it a bit. Is that how you're wanting it?
Yeah, you can leave it a little bit coarse. I'm not too fussed there.
Yes, in it goes.
Yep. Then I will get you on to chopping up our Swiss brown mushies as well. Just again, slicing them nice and thinly.
Yep.
Now, typically ragus or rich sauces like this have a wine element in there to deglaze the pan. Today we're not. We're going to use porcini. So I've got some dried porcinis that I've added hot boiling water to rehydrate them.
Yep.
And that becomes our deglazing liquid.
Very nice.
The onions and the pancetta look really good. Not burning, but nice and soft, Yep. Time for the duck to go in.
Okay.
Now, just using your spoon, breaking it into little pieces will help speed up the cooking time as well.
Fantastic.
Okay. Nice high heat. Just using the spoon to make sure that we're breaking down all the duck mince.
Do you want some colour on that or not really?
Yeah, I do want some colour. I just want to get that caramelisation and allowing that duck, I guess like you said before, the skin, that wonderful fat, to start getting into the pan. Okay, duck's looking good, good colour on it. Time for the mushies in, please.
Mushies.
And I haven't forgotten the garlic.
Yes, I was going to say, I've forgotten the main part. We love garlic in this.
Well, if we add it from the start, Juz, with that high heat, it's going to burn. So we add it now, so we get that nice flavour. Okay, Juz, they're going to take a couple minutes to cook. While we're waiting, can you grab those porcini? Now, removing the porcini out of the liquid and just roughly chopping them up.
It's like a wonder ingredient, porcinis, aren't they? You'll probably see it on Everyday Gourmet tomorrow. I might add that to my repertoire.
It's not the first time you've done this, hey? All right, very nice. So, deglaze porcini liquid. There it goes.
Okay.
Give that a stir. Add in the actual mushrooms themselves.
Beautiful. I wish you could smell this at home. It's that gorgeous autumnal smells of the mushrooms, the porcinis, the duck together, and all those herbs. So good.
Okay, time for the passata to go in.
Yep. Nice tomatoes.
Yeah.
And have we seasoned that yet?
No, I add a little bit of salt with the duck, but not too much because of the pancetta's in there. Yeah, we'll wait till the end just to try it and check our seasoning. Now, the sauce is going to take around 25 minutes to cook.
Sure.
Around the 15-minute mark, we're going to drop our pasta into the water, which takes around 8 to 10 minutes, and then mix. Okay, Juz, we dropped our tagliatelle into salted boiling water and cooked that for around 8 to 10 minutes. Okay. Nice and al dente. Look at that. Oh, yes. Okay. Great. Need the tongs for this one. To finish our sauce, I need you to chop me a nice, hey, you know, a tablespoon or 2 of butter.
Good. Love a bit of butter in this. And the smell of this ragu that's been sitting there cooking gently for that 25 minutes, just delightful. Too much?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, slide it in. Good. Slide it in.
In it goes.
So just give that a little flick, residual heat, and also chop me some parsley.
Okay, a few sprigs.
Yes, please. Oh.
It's always a good idea when you've got a rich sauce like this to have some parsley just to cut through the fattiness of it.
Definitely, and also for a bit of colour as well. You know, that's the chefy world, just, you know. For me, the tagliatelle is a standout here because those beautiful wide ribbons cling onto our duck sauce, duck and mushroom sauce, and it's just exquisite.
In it goes.
Okay, just be gentle when you're mixing your pasta with your sauce, especially with this egg pasta.
So the difference between this particular pasta and the other varieties, what is it?
So this one has obviously egg in it, so it has
Yeah.
a bit more richness to it. So it's
richer.
nice and soft, and yeah, they've got that velvet
Yeah.
kind of
You
consistency.
can actually see the difference when you look at it. It's slightly thinner, which is the Tagliatelle style, and deeper in colour.
Yeah, and look at that ragu. It's just clinging to the pasta, you know, and always don't flood your pasta with the sauce. Yeah, you should just coat it. And nothing worse. A little bit more on top because I know you love your duck, Juz.
Yes, I love it.
So, and pasta without parmesan.
Sacrilege.
Little sprinkle on top, and we're ready to eat.
A real sprinkle.
Very nice. So what do you think, Juz? We should have a taste?
Absolutely.
For you?
Thank you. I might use a spoon for this too.
Oh, okay.
that-
Full traditional.
Full traditional.
I love it.
Traditional plate, traditional style pasta. Scoop it up.
So tell me what you think.
We've been cooking together for about 11 years.
I think so.
And every year I have a favourite. And I think this is my favourite.
Good to hear.
It's delicious.